The best wood stove for camping is a must-have as it allows you to heat your tent when the weather takes a bit of a turn. More importantly, it can be used to cook some food. It's a quick and convenient way to make a meal without needing to build and maintain a large campfire. There are many products available to choose camping wood stove, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best camping wood stove from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products are very helpful people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Biolight Camp Stove 2. The Biolight Camp Stove 2 camp stove is a standalone, wood-burning stove with plenty of extra features for added usability. As the best wood stove for camping, it provides an internal fan that decreases the smoke output of the fire, which is a huge deal. It also converts the heat generated by the fire into electricity. This electricity can be sourced through a USB cable, allowing you to charge your camping Wi-Fi gadgets. Another reason why this best camping wood stove is better than other portable wood stoves for camping is that it boasts an informational, real-time display. This feature includes a dashboard that allows you to control fan speed and receive feedback on the strength of the fire. Thanks to this, you'll know when it's time to adjust the amount of wood you're feeding the fire and the smoke output. Positive side of this product: USB charging port, collapsible legs, turns fire into electricity, pretty lightweight, internal jets, smart LED dashboard. Negative side of this product: requires battery. Number 2. Solo Stove Campfire. The Solo Stove Campfire is one of the best options for small families that want something efficient and reliable. This is the ideal pick if you're looking for the best wood stove for camping that can help you cook for up to 4 people. It uses a secondary combustion. The double burn is more efficient than a regular fire, and it ensures that you'll get less smoke. We're not kidding when we say this stove is amazing. It can boil a liter of water in only 2 to 4 minutes. Made from stainless steel, this best camping wood stove is long-lasting and has a large cooking area. Furthermore, it can be run on any biomass you're able to find. Plus, it has both a wire grate and ashtray, separating your fuel from ash to prevent smoke and regulate the airflow. Positive side of this product: low smoke, stainless steel construction, large cooking area, can be run on any biomass, has both a wire grate and ashtray. Negative side of this product: feels a bit heavy. Number 3. EcoZoom Versa Camping Stove. The EcoZoom Versa Camping Stove packs a serious punch. This is one of the largest stoves we tested, which allows you to use a larger pan and cook up a feast for larger groups. You can burn wood sticks, wood pellets, charcoal, or other solid biomass fuels with this too. It features a fully insulated vertical chamber for combustion. This chamber is lined with a refractory metal to bounce all that heat back into the fire, which increases efficiency and creates less smoke. While this is a pretty expensive option, its larger dimensions and impressive fuel efficiency make it a shoo-in for group camping trips. Positive side of this product: huge cooking surface, durable, silicone grips, efficient. Negative side of this product: heavy, expensive. Number 4. Biolight Fire Pit. The Biolight Fire Pit is a larger campfire-size fire pit that can be used for cooking or entertainment. It is larger in size and weighs almost 20 pounds. It's not for backpacking use or anywhere that weight and size matter. It can burn both wood or charcoal. The Fire Pit Plus has a built-in power pack that powers a fan or can be used to recharge or power USB devices. It can't generate electricity like the smaller Biolight camp stove can. That is the biggest miss of this fire pit. The fan powers jets that run along the top and bottom of the fire pit. This allows for more efficient burn and temperature control. It also reduces smoke. The mesh sides allow you to watch the fire while containing almost all the sparks and ash. The battery is good for 7 to 30 hours of fan time depending on the speed setting. Cleaning is just as easy with a sliding ash door at the bottom. The Biolight Fire Pit is good for those wanting a larger fire to sit around and cook with. It's not for someone who wants something like to carry in a backpack. Positive side of this product: use either wood or charcoal. You can see the fire through the mesh sides of the fire pit when sitting around it. Easy to clean with the ash door on the bottom. Negative side of this product: still produces some smoke, can't use the fire to generate power, high cost. Number 5. Star Blue Camping Rocket Stove. The Star Blue Camping Rocket Stove is on the bigger side, making it a nice option for a large group or family. This best wood stove for camping cranks out the heat and is versatile for cooking too. Made from low-carbon, rust-resistant stainless steel, this stove is strong and durable. It's also surprisingly lightweight and can collapse, so you can carry it around more easily. Another thing that we love is the functional design with an 8.66 inches crossbar and grate, providing a stable platform for cooking. Meanwhile, the large fuel chamber allows longer burn time and efficient heat transfer with low smoke. Though big, assembling and disassembling this item is a breeze. Positive side of this product: a breeze to set up, easy to add fuel, stable platform, rust-resistant, collapsible design. Negative side of this product: a bit bigger than some portable wood stoves for camping. That's all from my end. I create helpful videos every day, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of question or problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is beautiful, so enjoy every bit of your life with our amazing products, as it is going to make your life so much easier. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day.